This evening, the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, KSAMC, says a letter was issued to the property owners on Tavistock Terrace in Jacks Hill, St. Andrew, with directives to prevent future landslides. TVJ News received a video statement from the KSAMC on the issue. Romardo Lyons has the follow-up.
Directives have gone up as soil has been making its way down. In a bid to avert danger on Tavistock Terrace in Jacks Hill, St. Andrew, the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation KSAMC says instructions have been issued for a retaining wall to be constructed by the developer, which will serve the purpose of containing soil.
The soil is impacting off our roadway, we would believe, because of what was done on property, on a particular property. So we have already issued some instructions to a property owner, and have said exactly what ought to be done and to control the soil on property. We believe that what we have recommended to be done is doable and will resolve that issue.
The letter outlined
what steps are to be taken to contain the soil on property. And yeah, that was before the rain.
Meanwhile, City Engineer Xavier Chevans said there's exploration of short-term measures that can be implemented to reduce the impact should there be a reoccurrence.
So we're going to meet here tomorrow to come up with a solution to help to alleviate what we have here and to prevent a reoccurrence of this magnitude. We also will meet with the property owner because any steps that will be taken will definitely involve input from the property owner, because it's a private property.
But there were other discoveries Thursday when Mr. Williams visited the area.
There is a natural waterway that is, based on observation, that has created a debris flow, which means that that waterway is taking silt and other materials and bringing it down, impacting our road infrastructure again and other properties.
Conversations have been had with experts and solutions are being explored.
And then they will work out and see, based on their observation and their assessment and evaluation, they will have a solution ready for us to be pursued. How it will be pursued is dependent on a lot of factors.
In June, residents called for the same retaining wall to be constructed and expressed fears of landslides. Last week, those fears manifested. Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.